Welcome to Abrupt.com. In this video, we'll show you how to add and remove channels from your Roku device. There are several ways to add channels to your Roku player. The easiest way is right from the channel store on your Roku device. From the home screen on the left, select Streaming Channels. Here, it's easy to browse, add, and purchase the channels you want. Choose from thousands of streaming channels, including hundreds of thousands of movies and TV episodes. There's even a section loaded with channels that are 100% free. Once you find a channel you want, highlight it and select Add Channel. If you created a PIN during activation, you'll be prompted to enter it. Now, if you forgot your PIN, visit Roku.com PIN. Confirm by selecting Add Channel, and that's it. You'll now see the channel on your home screen. To add more channels, just click back on your remote to return to the channel store or press Home on your remote, where you'll find your new channel at the bottom of your channel list. Another way to add channels is right from the Roku mobile app. Select Channel Store and tap the category you'd like to explore. Tap the channel you want, then Add Channel. If you have a PIN set up, you'll be prompted to enter it. Now you can add more channels or from your Roku remote. Press the Home button and start streaming. If you do not see the channel on your home screen, make sure your system is updated from Settings, select System, then System Update. To remove a channel, start at the home screen on your Roku player. Move the cursor to the channel you'd like to remove. To open the Channel Options menu, press the asterisk or star button on your remote. Here, you can rate the channel, move it to a different position on your home screen, or remove it just like that. To remove a channel you're subscribed to, you'll first need to cancel the subscription. Select the channel you'd like to remove and press the star button on your remote. To open the Channel Options menu, select Manage Subscription, then cancel subscription and confirm you'll still have access to the channel until the end of your current billing cycle. Now that the channel subscription has been canceled, you can remove the channel. Press the Start button on your remote to open the Channel Options menu, select Remove Channel, then confirm to remove the channel from your home screen. You can also remove a channel from the channel store on your Roku device. If you notice a small check in the lower corner, that means it's installed on your Roku player. To remove it, just select it, then Remove Channel, then Confirm. Another way to remove a channel is from the Roku mobile app. Tap the menu button in the upper right corner, select My Channels and find the channel you want to remove. Press and hold the channel. Select Remove, then Confirm. For more information about Roku tutorials, tips, and more, visit Abrupt.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Make sure to like and share the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Do watch our other videos. Link added in the description.